St. Thomas English Medium Higher Secondary School, Class 4th, Subject Computer by Richa Garg. Hello students, I welcome you all to this classroom. Let's start with chapter number 4, more about Tux Paint. Chapter number 4, more about Tux Paint. In this chapter, children, we will learn stamp tool to create a storyboard as slideshow, and we will also learn quit tool. Stamp tool. Children, this tool is like a rubber stamp, or a striker. It lets you paste images of a tree, a tiger, the moon, a mouse, etc. on your drawing canvas. To use the stamp tool, we have to follow some steps. First is children, click the stamp tool in the toolbar. A list of stamps appears in the selectors on the right side. Use the left and right arrow to move through the various categories of stamp. Example children, animals, plants, outer space, vehicles and people. Then third step is children, click a stamp, example the elephant stamp, and move the mouse around the canvas. An outline follow the movement of the mouse, showing where the stamp will be placed and how big it will be. Now the next step is children, click the control tools present at the bottom of the screen to increase or decrease the size of a stamp. Flip it vertically or display it as a minor image. Then the next step is children, click the canvas to paste the image of the selected stamp in your picture. Different stamps can have different sounds effects and or descriptive sounds. Buttons at the lower left corner allow you to replay the sound effects and or descriptive sound. Now children, pressing Alt plus S will display this disable sound effect. This disabled sound effect is called children sound muting. They can be enabled by pressing Alt plus S again. Some stems can be colored. If the color palette appears below the canvas, when you select the stamp, you will click the desired color to change the color of the stamp before placing it in the pictures. Okay, children? To create a storyboard. Children, a storyboard is a series of pictures that tells a story. Let us create a story of the fox and the crow, consisting of 4 pictures. To create the pictures, follow these steps. We have to follow some steps. The first is click the new tool. A list of background with different colors appear. Click the green or blue background or click, and then we have to click open. Then the next step is click the text tool. Then the next step is children, click black color from the color palette or yellow color and select the text style from the option given on the right. Then the next step is children, type the text. Click the up down arrow in the selector to increase and decrease the text size. Then the children, the next step is click the stamp tool. Then the next step is place the image of fox and a crow in the pictures. Then the next step is children, click the save tool. Now children, you can create this picture in the other way also. Okay, the other way you have to children, if you follow it through with the textbook. Storyboard as a slideshow. Now children, storyboard as a slideshow. A slideshow is a systematic display of selected picture one by one. To display a storyboard in a slideshow, we have to follow some steps. The first step is click the open tool. It displays the list of saved pictures. Okay. Then the next step is click the slide buttons. Then the third step is click the pictures you wish to display in the slideshow presentation one by one. Each pictures that you click will be marked by the number. It let you know the order in which they will be displayed. Okay, children? Then the next step is you can click a selected image to unselect it and remove it from the slide show. In if the picture marked with the number 3 is clicked, it will be removed from the slideshow and the rest of the picture will be renumbered. Then the next step is children. Click the sliding scale at the bottom left of the screen to adjust the speed of the slideshow from the slowest to fastest. Then the children, we have to choose the leftmost setting to disable automatic advance of slides. You will need to press a key or click to go to the next slide. Now the children, the next step is finally click the play button to begin the slide show. Then the next step is children, during the slideshow, press spacebar enter or the right arrow key or click the next button at the bottom left to manual advance to the next slide. Then the next step is press escape or click the back button at the bottom right to exit the slideshow and return to the slideshow picture selection screen. Quit tool. Now children, what is quit tool? Clicking the quit tool will quit Tux Paint. You will first be asked whether you really want to quit. If you choose yes, I am done, and you have not saved the current pictures, you will first to be saved whether you wish to save it. If it is not a new image, you will then be asked whether you want to replace the older version or create a new entry. Okay, children? Now, children, open your textbook, page number 48, question number 1, filling the blanks with the correct words. A. The dash tool let you paste image in your picture. So, stamp tool, okay? B1. Press dash to mute the sound effect. Press Alt plus S, okay? C1. To select a picture from the slideshow, dash it. So, what we have to do? Click it, okay? Now let's move to the D1. Click the dash button to start the slideshow. Click the play button. We have to click the play button to start the slide show. E1. The dash tool is used to quit Tux Paint. So quit tool. Okay. Now let's move to the question 2. Who am I? A1. I am an image that you can paste directly in your picture. So what will come? Stamp. B1. I am a series of picture that tells a story. So what will come? Story board. C1. I am systematic display of pictures one by one. I am a systematic display of pictures one by one. So what will come? Slide show. D1. And the button used to begin a slide show. So what will come? Play. Now let's move to E1. I am used to adjust the speed of slideshow. The sliding scale. Now children, question 3. Write T for the true statement and F for the false one. A1. The stamp size can be reduced but cannot be expanded. False. B1. You can replay the sound for different stamps using button at lower left corner. 2. C1. You cannot mute the sound effect. True. D1. Pictures are selected alphabetically when selected for a slideshow. False. E1. You can adjust the speed of the slideshow display. True. Question 5th. Choose the correct option. A. What can you do with the stamps before placing them in the picture? 1 mirror image, 2 flipped vertically, 3 expand or reduce the size, or fourth all of these. So we will take on fourth all of these. B1, to manually advance to the next slide, press the 1 enter key, 2 spacebar key, 3 right arrow key, fourth all of these. So it's fourth all of this. Okay, all of these. So click, put a tick mark on fourth option. C1, how do the pictures get marked when you select them from a slideshow? 1 ABC in alphabetical in capital letters, 2 in small letters ABC, 3 1 2 3, 4 none of these. So it's 3, option 3 1 2 3. D1, the button used to display the list of saved picture is 1 open, 2 slides, 3 next, 4 back, sorry. So it's option 1 open. Okay, the picture used to display the list of saved picture is open. E1, the tool used to quit Tux Paint is 1 open, 2 save, 3 quit, 4 new. So it's option 3 quit.